Jonathan Moyo, a prominent local professor of politics and former cabinet minister, has viciously criticized the retired Air Marshal Henry Muchena, whose real name is Jabulani Mahlangu, saying he is misleading the people about what universal adult suffrage means and the right of people to vote, the empirical executive presidency, and the referendum over proposed constitutional amendments. This is part of a growing storm debate over a raft of contentious constitutional amendments to extend President Emerson Mnangagwa's rule to 2030 and overhaul the political system. Sadc Mashko Branch Moyo tears apart Muchena in a debate, dismisses his assertions as illiterate. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell. I continue the proposed constitutional amendment bill 2026 shifts the presidential elections to parliament, changes presidential term lengths from 5 to 7 years, and proposes electoral changes. Moyo says Muchena's claims about the role of universal adult suffrage in Zimbabwe's liberation struggle and the direct election of the president are misleading, false, uninformed, ignorant, and illiterate. He says universal adult suffrage means the right to vote without discrimination on grounds of race, class, gender, or property, among other qualifications, not the type of electoral system or a mechanism of electing the executive president. Moyo knows the liberation struggle was fought over land ownership and to ensure universal adult suffrage, meaning the right to vote without discrimination, not the electoral system, like direct or indirect, of the president. This follows Muchena's strong and emotional letter to president, saying he was speaking on behalf of unnamed retired generals and former senior civil servants, rejecting the constitutional changes, which extended President Emerson Mnangagwa's rule by 2 years, dismantles the imperial executive presidency, and makes changes to the country's political, electoral, and governance system. Moyo says Muchena does not understand what universal adult suffrage really means and the origins, electoral dynamics, and the role of executive imperial presidency in Zimbabwe. Domba developments arikubuda panguva ino atirikuona kuti aiwa Moyo has been attacked panguva ino aissuwa a statement against Henry Muchena. Pinda comment section medu zafungura aim to leave pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like